Marble Polishing Services Banstead by Tile Cleaning Surrey. Marble polishing is not just a service, it's an art. Using advanced techniques, our professionals transform worn-out marble back to its original sheen. We use specialized diamond tools and polishing powders to remove lippage, erase scratches and stains, leaving a smooth, glossy finish that rejuvenates your space. While polishing focuses on enhancing the surface's shine, restoration addresses deeper issues like cracks, deep scratches, damage, and deep stains. Choosing the right service for your marble surfaces is crucial. It's about understanding your marble's unique needs and finding a provider that respects the stone's natural beauty. A trusted service doesn't just transform your marble surfaces, they also guide you in maintaining that elegance for years to come. For a comprehensive range of marble polishing services in Banstead, call us today on 01372 664 337 or use the simple contact form on our website at tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk and experience the transformation.